How you doing, Cali Crowd? Today we're talking goals, specifically goals for 2021. Now, if you're new to the channel, the goals I set myself in 2020 were to build a solid base of calisthenics applicable strength and to use 3 skills as a measure of this strength. Those skills were the L-sit, the muscle up, and the handstand. And if you want to know how I did with those goals, you can check out my 1-year calisthenics transformation, but in a nutshell, it went really well. I'm actually really happy with how that first year of calisthenics training went. And while I don't like switching up my goals just because the year changes, I also know the power of sticking a deadline date on goals. So let's take a look at what I've got planned for 2021. Well, for the first few months, consolidation and maintenance are going to be the name of the game. I'm in a place now where I really want to build on my L-sit success and consolidate my handstand and muscle up into skills that I can perform solidly on any day, not just a good day. This will take time, and it will mean spending a good portion of this year focusing on simply getting stronger in movements that I'm already familiar with. But that's a really vague thing to say. So what that means specifically is that while I'm happy with the muscle up despite the not so great form, I am confident that I can get to a place where I can clean them over time. But I've mentioned on this channel that the muscle up in and of itself does not improve strength more so than just pulling high and doing straight bar dips. So these are what I'm going to do to help build strength in that movement pattern. On the handstand front, I'm starting to build real traction with entering the handstand from the frog stand, which is strange because I still struggle with balancing the handstand. Most people have this the other way around, and yet as things stand, to hold balance, I need to arch my back a little, and whenever my weight shifts back towards the heels of my hands in underbalance, I cannot recover, and it's just a matter of time before I fall. So for that, I'm going to be spending lots of time with my good friend, the wall. Chest to wall handstands have been so great for me so far, and I'm going to keep pushing with that as I go for better and longer handstands. If and only if I am happy with that, I may move on to some more new stuff towards the summer. The sort of things I have in mind are things like the middle splits. This is one that I've always found interesting because ever since I got to a point where I could touch my toes, I've wanted to develop my mobility further, and this is an aspect of fitness I have long neglected. And the other thing I'm looking to start to learn is the back lever. This has lots of spillover into skills such as the front lever and the planche, and forces you to really focus on conditioning, specifically in areas such as the biceps and the shoulders. So I'm buzzing to get to a point where I feel ready to do this. I always advocate minimizing the quantity of goals to maximize the quality of achieving them, especially where your goals have lots of spillover into other skills. And a new goal that I didn't really have this time last year is you guys. Using this space to build a community that motivates and encourages everybody from beginner to advanced calisthenics athletes forms parts of my goals too. So be sure to let me know in the comment section what sort of videos you want to see from me in the coming year. Guys, if you want to set your own goals and really see how setting yourself to be accountable to them can really supercharge your calisthenics gains, then check out this video here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like as it really helps out the channel. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.